Welcome to Denton Outdoors. I'm at Rattlesnake Ridge Natural Area in Arkansas, and I'm hiking the Timber Trail. Come along for the adventure. So this is just a really short trail up to a real rocky ridge, and it seems like a lot of people do bouldering and rock climbing up here. I wanted to go up to Rattlesnake Ridge, but that takes a little bit longer, and most of these trails are for mountain bikes, but this one was for hikers only, so I'm gonna get up here and see if there's any good views. Made it up to the top of the ridge and got a pretty good view. It's kind of hard to tell in the camera, but there is a really steep drop off here. I can see why it's pretty popular for rock climbing and bouldering. That was a nice quick adventure. Next time I'm in this part of Arkansas, I really want to do the Rattlesnake Ridge, but just didn't have time right now. So that was fun though. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.